Hey Amanda, it's Dan. I am just responding to your very passionate, a lot of info video. I had no clue that in 2021 there was over a million, I think you said 1.7 million acres burned. Never even heard of that. Like never, like I hear about the big ones, sure, but not the thousands that you said. Never even thought about it. Prescribed burning. I don't know anything on your topic, but now it all makes sense. Like thinking about a prescribed burning, that you are getting rid of the dead trees, the dead everything, and start to make a very healthy forest and make it a different living area for all those animals. I think is a fantastic idea. You said that there's definitely places where you can donate money. I'm gonna look into that more. I'm gonna listen to a video again towards the end. It sounds like a great idea for the environment. But I just want to say, great job, very passionate. I understood it all. Thank you.